going to create a Falgun look. So for Falgun, I'm thinking about going to the yellow-orange theme. At first, I'm going to prepare my skin, do my normal skincare routine. So I generally use moisturizer at first, then I apply a lotion, hydrating lotion, and then I apply sunscreen, and then I start my makeup because I have very dry skin and my skin gets dry after a very small amount of time. So I need to hydrate my skin, layer by layer. So I have to build the moisture on my skin. So now I'm going to start my skin makeup. I'm going to apply concealer first. I'm going to let it set for a few seconds. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare my foundation. I'm going to mix my regular way. I'm going to mix my foundation with my Sunburst Glow Mixer from Glam, and this one is Wet n Wild foundation. And now I'm going to apply this foundation with my concealer, and then I'm going to blend everything together. So it's just one layer of product. First, I'm going to blend my concealer, then I'm going to blend my foundation. So I have applied foundation and concealer. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of contour. I'm going to use my Glam cream contour, just a tiny dot. I have learned from my mistake. I'm not going to apply too much of this product because this is actually very pigmented. I think my hair has done something it shouldn't have done. God. So now I'm going to blend my contouring. See, a tiny amount goes such a long way. I have learned from my mistake. Like, I used a ton of product. At first I didn't understand the pigment of it, but now I do. I'm never going to apply too much of this. Never. Now I'm going to blend all the harsh line with my foundation brush because there is a little bit of leftover foundation, so the harsh line will be gone. Now I'm going to apply my water tint as my blush. I'm going to use my Etude water tint. I'm using my foundation brush to blend my blush. Wow, it rhymes. I'm trying to blend my blush with the contour. I'm not applying too much on my cheeks because I want a lifted look. So I'm going to set my entire face with Wet n Wild banana powder. Now I'm going to do a little bit of bronzing. So I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Mega Glow. I'm using this angular brush and I'm taking this one. This is very pigmented, so I'm not going to directly apply it on my face. I'm going to tap it on the back of my hand first so that the color gets a little bit of muted. And now I'm just going to simply blend it. It's going to give just a little bit of warmth on my face, and that's it. I'm going to contour my nose with the bronzer. Now I'm going to start my eye makeup. So today I'm going to use this palette. This is Makeup Revolution Roxy Ride or Die palette. This has this amazing color palette which is perfect for almost every occasion, especially our Bangladeshi festivals. Like, just look at this color story. I'm sorry about the mess, but yeah, this is one of my favorite and most used palette. So before doing everything, I'm going to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner, and then I will start my eye makeup today. So I'm using this shadow. This is called Iconic. I'm going to use this one to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. Now I'm going to use this yellow eyeshadow. This is called Honey, and I'm going to apply it above my crease, okay, and blend it with my shimmer eyeshadow that I just used. Now I'm going to take this orange eyeshadow. This is called Pumpkin. Now I'm going to apply it on my crease line, okay, and blend with the yellow eyeshadow that I just used. So it will give a very nice gradient, yellow to orange. Now that we have created this yellow and orange gradient, I'm going to use this pink eyeshadow. This one is called Inspire, on my inner corner and my outer corner. And now apply it at first to the outer corner, create a V, and then in the inner corner. Now take a fresh brush without any eyeshadow and blend everything together. Okay? In the center of my eye, I'm going to use this golden eyeshadow. This one is called Shook. Can you see? This is so pretty. This is called Halo Eyes. So I'm just going to apply the shimmer. This is giving a sunset vibe. I'm going to take the brush I used for the pink eyeshadow, and I'm going to take the orange eyeshadow and blend this with my shimmer eyeshadow. Okay, like this. So there is no harsh edges. Can you see how amazing it's looking? It's looking like a sunset right now. Now for our under eyes, I'm just going to apply whatever is left on this brush and connect it with my outer corner. Now I'm going to apply the golden shimmer shadow under my eyes. I'm using this pen eyeliner from Flormar, and I'm going to create a wing eyeliner today. Now that our wing eyeliner is done, just for fun, I'm going to use this green eyeliner. This is from Beauty Glazed, and I'm going to apply it on my lower eyelash and connect it with my eyeliner. I have created just a half. I have dragged it to the center of my eyes. Now I'm going to take my previous brush and blend the edges of it. There is no harsh line, so it's giving a little bit of smoky vibe. Now I'm going to apply a nude eyeliner on my waterline. I'm using this one from Beauty Glazed. My eye makeup is done. I'm going to complete my brows now. My eyebrows are done. Now I'm going to curl my eyelash and apply some mascara. Now I'm going to use my Technique Mega Lash Mascara. It's 2 coats of mascara. I'm going to let it dry, and now I'm going to apply highlighter. So I'm going to use Makeup Revelation Sofx highlighter palette. The lid is broken. My highlighter palette is completely broken, but I still love this highlighter, so I'm going to use it. I'm using a fan brush. I'm going to take this highlighter, this one, and I'm going to take this pink one and mix them together and then apply it on my cheekbone and blend it with my hand. I love blending my highlighter with my hands. Makeup, in my opinion, makeup blends best when you blend it with your fingers. Like, it melts like butter. Now I'm going to take this pink highlighter and highlight my nose and now blend with my another finger. And now all I'm going to do is I'm going to use the brush that I used for contouring my nose with the bronzer and just blend the highlighter with it a little bit. I'm going to use this black eyeliner from Beauty Glazed to tightline my eyes. Now I'm going to apply my lipstick. Okay, so I want a little bit of orangey lipstick today because I have orange eyeshadow. So I am using this lip liner from Beauty Glazed. This is called Rose Dust. Now I'm going to blend this liner with my finger. Now I have this nice pink base. For peach color, I'm going to use my MAC lipstick. This one is called Malip Over, and this is actually a peach color. I'm going to use this gloss from iMagic. This is called Glory. I want a little bit more blush. I'm going to use this palette from Glam. This is a blush palette, and I'm going to take this one, this mauvey orange one. This one is called Amaryllis Angel. This blush is very pigmented. Do not apply it directly to your face. First apply it on your back of your hand. Blend the powder on your brush evenly. Then slightly apply it. Just a hint of blush, not too much. Now my look is done. Mascara has dried up. This is a very important and very beneficial trick. All you can do is take your eyelash color again and curl your lashes. Just wait for the magic, okay? Ta-da! See? Can you see the difference? As I don't like to use falsies, I use this technique all the time. Anywhere you wanna go.